Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener, your source for simple, effective answers for gardening, relationships, and life. I'm Marion Owen. I'm amazed at the power of small things that make a big difference. The other day, I received an email from Sally, a gardener in Florida. I enjoyed your seed starting article on your website. I just started some flower seeds last week. They've already jumped to life. I wasn't sure what to do next. I do now, thanks to you. When I read Sally's email, I was having a, "is anybody out there?" kind of moment. And as my hands hovered above the keyboard, I felt myself lift out of the mood, realizing how much, during the course of a day, we touch people with actions, words, and thoughts, even small ones. Maybe that explains why I'm so jazzed about starting plants from seeds. You know, small seeds that grow into big plants. Every chance I get, in my columns, podcasts, workshops, website, blog, and newsletter, I spread the good word about growing your own. Here's the latest headline I used. Save money! Lose weight by growing your own seedlings! Okay, sounds like a stretch, yet it's not far from the truth. You will save money, I'll tell you how in a second. And if you spend more time in the garden, you will lose weight. Now follow my reasoning here. Growing your own seedlings helps you save money. Let's look at salad greens. A packet of lettuce seeds costs about $2, the same as one head of lettuce. That same packet of seeds will give you about 300 heads of lettuce. Thus, a $2 packet of seeds produces $600 worth of salad greens. Losing weight. Getting out in the yard and doing things like turning soil, bending over to pull weeds, and moving the wheelbarrow into position can only help you lose weight. Your muscles might complain at first, but your abs and back will be stronger, and you'll be less prone to injuries overall. Granted, I'm talking mostly vegetables here, but starting your own herbs and flowers is just as satisfying. Sally in Florida maintains a flower garden. Sure, she enjoys the bright yellow, orange, and red blossoms, but so does everyone who walks or drives by her house. Small things that make a big difference. By the way, if you'd like to read my seed starting article or read the current issue of my UpBeet Gardener newsletter, my email address is mygarden@alaska.net. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.